Now here one term came, that is nothing but the ordinary thermometer. Now you might wonder how the scale on the thermometer will be plotted. Now see here, let us say this is nothing but your thermometer. Let us say here I have considered a line that is nothing but 0 degree Celsius. Now somewhere here I will get a line as 100 degree Celsius. Now I am not having any information why this 0 degree Celsius is plotted here. Now I can plot that 0 degree Celsius here as well, and as there is a little bit shift from this 0 degree Celsius to this 0 degree Celsius, somewhere here I will get 100 degree Celsius. But in order to understand why that 0 degree Celsius need to be plotted here, not here or not here, and similarly that 100 degree Celsius line will be plotted or engraved here, not here, not here. For that we need to understand two terms, that is nothing but two definitions, that is ice point, and second one that is nothing but your steam point. Now in order to understand these two definitions and ultimately how the scale is plotted or engraved on this thermometer, let us take an experiment. Now in that experiment what we are going to take, we are going to take one container, and inside that container these ice cubes we have taken. These are nothing but what? Ice cubes we have taken, and to these ice cubes continuously I am going to supply the heat. Okay, and inside that I am going to place the thermometer. Now as a result of supply of this heat, what will happen? The solid ice which is present inside this container or beaker, it will start melting and it will start converting into liquid, and I am continuously supplying heat from this location. Now here I have placed the thermometer. Until and unless all the solid ice is converted into liquid, same line or same reading will be shown on this reading, and that point is nothing but what? Ice point. Ice point is nothing but a point at which all the solid ice is converted into liquid water. And we know that during a phase change process, temperature remains constant. During phase change process, temperature remains constant, means one constant scale or constant value will be shown on this thermometer, and that value we are going to plot here. We are going to plot 0 degree Celsius. Okay, now still we are going to continue supply of heat. As a result of supply of that heat, what will happen? In first phase solid ice is converted into liquid. Still we are supplying heat. What will happen? This liquid will start converting into vapor. Once again there is a phase change process, and we know that during phase change process temperature remains constant, means when that phase change from liquid to vapor will start, I will get some reading on this thermometer. Let us say that we are getting this reading. This is nothing but 99.9 degrees Celsius. Rounding up, it is equal to 100 degrees Celsius. Now we are having 2 points, that is 0 degrees Celsius and 100 degrees Celsius. This 100 degrees Celsius point we have plotted on the steam point. And what is steam point? The point or the temperature at which the liquid water is converted into vapor. यहाँ पे आपको जितना भी लिक्विड मिल रहा है पानी, that needs to be converted into vapor, and जब तक फेज चेंज नहीं हो जाता तब तक टेम्परेचर बदलने वाला है नहीं, मतलब हमें एक ही टेम्परेचर मिलेगा. तो वो हमारी लाइन हो गई 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस. नाउ वी आर हैविंग टू लाइन्स, एक 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस की लाइन है, एक 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस की लाइन है. इन दो लाइन में जितना भी डिस्टेंस है, व्हाट वी नीड टू डू? We have to divide that into 100 equal parts. You might have understood how we are going to plot the scale on thermometer. First of all, we are going to plot 0 degree Celsius, and after that 100 degree Celsius. The 0 degree Celsius point we have plotted with the help of this ice point, and 100 degree Celsius point we have plotted with the help of this steam point. Thank you.
Hopefully you might have enjoyed the lecture. Then please do like the video and know your thoughts in comments. Please do share this video among your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. After subscription you can press the bell icon to never miss the notification regarding our new videos. Thank you so much.